for me, that is something. Spend quality time with my parents. Spend an amazing weekend with my sister.
Yeah, good afternoon. This is Raj. Yeah, Deepika, I'd like to ask you that how important is gold and diamond for you? How important is gold and diamond for you? And other question is, being an independent woman, what advice and suggestions you like to give to other women? These are two questions for you.
How important is gold and diamonds in what context?
Assets and diamonds.
Oh,
It's a woman's asset. Gold is a...
I'm a Malayali. It's very important for me.
yeah, I was going to come to that. Being a South Indian, I know that it is an important asset, but I think at a personal level, it's more a material thing. I think my needs are more emotional than material at this point. For example, I'd rather be with my family. For me, that is something. Spend quality time with my parents. Spend an amazing weekend with my sister. For me, that is an investment. Because of the kind of lifestyle that I lead, the fact that when I was 18 or 20, I moved to Mumbai and I live away from them. So these are the things that I value more than the actual tangible things. I'd like to believe that. I'd like to believe that I'm not materialistic. It gives me no sense of... probably the only thing that gave me material satisfaction is probably when I bought my own home in Mumbai. I think that's the one thing. But other than that, I don't think I'm not a material. Yeah, I'd like to believe I'm not a material person.
Hi Deepika, congratulations on Piku releasing tomorrow.
Thank you.
Just want to know from you, Salman Khan, that's what everyone's talking about, the verdicts.
I was pretty sure you were going to ask me this question. It had to come from you.
So, what was your reaction when you first heard?
I think it's sub judice right now, so we wouldn't want to comment on it.
All right. Thank you.
मेरा सवाल है
Like I said, it's sub judice, so I don't think I can comment on that. At a personal level, जो भी मुझे कहना है, मैं personally कह दूँगी.
सेंको ज्वेलरी में क्या खासियत लगती है? और आप जब बंगाल में शूटिंग के दौरान थी, तो वहाँ पे कोई बंगाली पैटर्न की ज्वेलरी ये आपको पसंद आई, आपने खरीदी ऐसी कुछ?
खरीदी तो नहीं. आप लोग गिफ्ट करेंगे तो I don't mind. But it is definitely unique because of the association. मुझे I got to see how South Indian designs are very different from the Bengali designs. वो मुझे देखने को मिला, and very very unique. And I'm very I want to thank you for this association. In fact, I play a Bengali character, and I think, yeah, and so I think the fact that I play a Bengali character and their designs are very, very true to that. So I think it was a natural association.
Deepika, apart your cups and your rings, what do you like, gold or diamonds?
Did I hear you say cubs?
Your cuffs.
Oh, cuffs. Sorry. We're just talking so much about cubs. Still the odd cups. Sorry.
Diamonds or gold?
So I was like, cubs and gold. I didn't understand.
Diamonds or gold?
Tough. I know they say a diamond is a girl's best friend, but I'm also South Indian, so I'm partial to gold. So I'm a bit confused. Very disappointed with my response. Now today you're like, what did she say? Yeah.
But Amitabh Bachchan is also playing an equally important character.
Yeah.
So, what was the reason behind naming this film Piku?
Well, it's Piku's world. First of all, Piku is a pet name. Is a Bengali, very, very common pet name. I didn't know this until very recently. It's used for girls and for boys. And I think that actually says a lot for my character in the film because she is the boy and girl of the house in a sense. She's, of course she's a daughter, but she's very, very, what do I say? She runs the house. She has to take care of her father. She goes to work in the daytime. She's an architect by profession. So I think the name itself says a lot. And why is it Piku? Because it's Piku's world. It follows her life, her journey, how she tries to multitask, and the various aspects of her life. That's why it's called Piku.